Getting started with ProQuest databases. Creating a personal account and logging in. For this demonstration, we are using ProQuest Dissertations and Theses, but the same advice applies to all ProQuest databases. This will create an account to save searches and results that can be used in any ProQuest database. It's also necessary to export large amounts of results. Click on the head icon at the top right and then Create My Research Account. Remember to check your email to confirm the new account if needed. Once an account is created, next time you use a ProQuest database, use the Sign In link. You will need to do this again if you close your browser or the session times out, so get in the habit of doing it first thing. Once in your account dashboard, click the hamburger menu, then Advanced Search. Using fields such as title and abstract. If you are not already in the Advanced Search, choose it from the hamburger menu. Fields can be chosen from the drop-down menu on the right. These should have or between them on the left-hand side, so make sure it changes this from the default. We would recommend always using at least title and abstract. We do not generally recommend searching in the full text, as this will return too many irrelevant results. Searching for one term. Enter your terms in the search boxes. If you want to search for a phrase, put it in quotes. The line should have or between them on the left-hand side. Make sure you have the correct field selected before you click on the green Search button. Searching for multiple terms on the same topic using OR. Enter your terms in the search boxes. They should have or between them in capital letters. Again, make sure you have the correct field selected and it says or between the lines before you click the green Search button. Searching for multiple terms on another topic using OR. Click Modify Search or select Advanced Search from the hamburger menu. Delete anything that is currently in the search boxes. Move on to the next topic you want to find. Enter your terms in the search boxes. They should have or between them in capital letters. As before, make sure you have the correct field selected and it says or between the lines before you click the green Search button. Combining searches on different topics using AND. Click on the Recent Searches link. Type in the numbers of the corresponding searches in the search box. To combine different topics, use AND in capitals between the numbers, then click the green Search button. Limiting results. There are many ways to limit or filter a search. To filter a search you have just run by publication date, use the slider to the left of the results and then click Update. Saving searches and results. To save a whole search, which can be rerun at a later date and show new results, click Save Search / Alert, then Save Search. Give your search a meaningful name. If you are planning on running multiple searches, we recommend putting the name of the database, some of your terms, and the date in the name to make it easier to find later. To temporarily save individual results, use the tick box to the left of a result. To see these saved items, click on the folder icon. To permanently save them, click the filing cabinet icon, Save to My Research. You can create a new folder to put them in, or use one you've already made. Exporting results. To export individual results, temporarily add them to your folder. They can then be sent to a reference manager like EndNote or Zotero. Select the ones you want, and click on the three dots and click the relevant option. Most people will click Deselect items when done, so they don't send the same ones again when they add new results. Click Continue. The file can then be opened with your reference manager. To send all your results in one go, you use a different method. This is not at all obvious. You must be logged into My Research to do this, and you can only do this twice a day with one account for the whole ProQuest platform. At your results screen, click Export Results, top left. For reference managers, leave it as set to RIS, and most likely click to add abstracts. Then click the green Accept button. Click the My Research button, then Save Searches. There should now be a Save Search displaying with the search terms as the default name. You can edit this if needed if you want to keep it. A new Export Results link will generate. This can take some time. From there, it's the normal process of saving and opening the RIS file.